And people adversely affected by Super Typhoon Yolanda are the beneficiaries of a shoot fest launched by the Quezon City Police District. We'll have the full report from Alvin Baltazar.
The inauguration of the 74th anniversary of Quezon City Police District was held November 22 at the QCPD firing range, Camp Caringal, Quezon City. Headed by District Director Richard Albano, the Shoot Fest was formally opened, which was one of the highlights of the celebration. Albano happily relayed that all the proceeds of the Shoot Fest would go to the victims of Typhoon Yolanda and also to the kids of Payatas, the home for the aged and the indigenous people. QCPD would also be launching its own cooperative.
Ang proceeds nito, number 1, papunta doon sa inaalagaan natin sa Payatas na mga bata. Dito si Pranado dati. Okay? Yung home for the aged. Tapos, na-conceptualize natin yan nung una. Idadagdag natin ngayon yung mga families ng biktima ng Yolanda. Lalo na yung nakamatay, makikita mo kung may naiwan mga anak na lang nila. Dito, proceeds na to, mapupunta doon. Okay. Part of that, meron kami binabalak with Command Group na mag-create tayo ng cooperative within QCPD.
Quezon City Mayor Herbert Bautista expressed his gratitude to those who attended the event and said that this is just the start of their festivity.
Maraming mga activities, but definitely city, maraming ganito shoot fest, QCPD and media, yun ang kailangan natin isama. Tapos, and many others, may mga business pa naman, and of course, kung meron kayong konti dyan, tulong din tayo sa mga nabiktima na Yolanda.
Range Master June Villalos said that the Shoot Fest is highly important to test the skills of the police and to promote camaraderie among the police and the civilians.
Kinandak itong Shoot Fest na to, sabi nga ni General Albano kanina, para makita niya kung sino yung makilala natin, sino yung magaling pumutok among his members, and para makita rin niya yung sino yung mga magagaling pumutok. And at the same time, para camaraderie among civilian and the police as well.
The Shoot Fest will be open to the public starting tomorrow until Sunday, which will still be held at Camp Caringal. For the People's Television, this is Ara Perez.